You guys, we have made it. We are staying on deck 6, room 692. And look what Daddy had for me, you guys. A surprise. Happy anniversary. He's the best. But we're going to go check in and see what 692 looks like. Welcome to our palace for the next 8 days. Oh my God. Look at it. It's so cute, you guys. Once again, welcome to room 692. Y'all, we did get a balcony this time, but the only downfall is we got a lifeboat in front of us. I'm gonna take you guys out, show you the boat. So we did get the balcony. Baby, isn't this balcony got a specific name though? I thought
Obstruction view.
And y'all can see why it's called a obstructing view. We got the lifeboat right in front of us. But the reason why I'm glad the lifeboat in front of us, because my hand's gonna just jump off, okay? Thanks for being here. But yeah, you guys, this is our room. You come with the normal things. You got a full couch, plenty of dressers, space, blow dryer. We all ladies need us to keep us looking right. We got a fridge in here. Oh. Is this the fridge?
Yep.
Yep, it is the fridge. It's kind of look upgraded, look fancier. You got your vanity stand. You got a few cords too. And then you got
plenty of outlets, it looks
plenty
like.
of outlets. And then you look like you got here, like you got a 40-inch TV. I think this is a queen size bed, you guys. Queen size bed.
But it's big enough for us.
We can make it do what it do, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what we got over here. We got plenty of room for our necessities. You got your safe here, the usual. A few drawers down below. And y'all, we got a lot of stuff just go around. We brought a lot of winter stuff. We were so confused on what to bring, what not to bring. Should we not? It was confusing. But we do got plenty of space for it to pack it up. Let's check out the bathroom. Yeah. All right. Everything looks clean, you guys, and I appreciate that. I like walking into something clean. You got your normal bathroom with your sink, and I love the fact that we do not have curtains. I love the glass. I don't know if you guys like the glass, but I prefer the glass other than the curtains. But you got your normal things. You got your mirror. They give you a little soap. They give you already body wash. It's 3-in-1, hair, body, and wash. So you can use that, but we usually bring our own soap. Other than that, you guys, I mean, it's same thing. You got another space, more hangers, and we don't even hang our stuff, you guys. We just unpack it and shop out the suitcases. But yeah, y'all, this is our room at 692 on Ovation of the Seas, with our happy anniversary decorations.
We're excited about this journey, guys. So make sure if you're just watching this ship tour,
Yes.
you check out all of our vlogs from this ship, because we're going to be showing you all around Alaska.
Hopefully we can show y'all guys things that we haven't seen before ourselves. You
Yep.
know, it'll be an adventure for you and us, you know?
Absolutely. All right, positive vibers. We'll see y'all on the next adventure.
Yes.
Peace, y'all.